New York. The New York Attorney General said he doesn't need to wait for a hearing October for a judge to rule that Trump cheated in building his real estate empire. His civil lawsuit against former President Donald Trump. In court documents made public on Wednesday, Attorney General Letitia James urged Judge Arthur Engoron to issue a ruling in support of claim that Trump company deed banks and business partners by lying on financial statements about wealth, the value of assets. Engoron scheduled a hearing for September 22 at Amer's request. His case, seeking a $250 million fine and a ban on Trump's business New York, is scheduled to appear in State Court Manhattan on October 2. Decision on Engoron claim. Even if case is not resolved, he will preside over non-jury hearing on other allegations in case. Trump's lawyers and a spokesman for his company, the Trump Organization, were left with messages asking for comment. Trump, who is leading the Republican nomination in next year's presidential election, claimed the case was part of a politically motivated witch hunt by James and other Democrats. James' case, involving allegations about Trump's life as a pre-presidential businessman, is one of the many legal headaches he faced in his quest to return to the White House. Trump has been charged 4 times last 5 months. He was accused of conspiring to reverse the 2020 election loss Georgia and Washington D.C., hoarding classified documents Florida, and falsifying business records Manhattan regarding hush money paid to him on behalf of. Some of Trump's criminal cases coincided with the busy presidential primary season. James' office argued that in order to make a decision, Engoron had to answer only 2 questions: whether Trump's annual financial statements were false or misleading, and whether he and the Trump Organization had used those disclosures to conduct business transactions. Based on overwhelming amount of uncontroversial evidence in the case, answer to both questions is a strong yes. James' special litigation counsel, Andrew Amer, said in his 100-page summary motion. Based on this, Amer needs no hearing to establish that Trump, the Trump Organization, other defendants presented bad and materially inflated asset values in their financial statements, then repeatedly used in business transactions to the banks. Argued that it was not, and insurers. At end day, it's a case of documents. And documents leave no doubt that Mr. Trump doesn't even remotely reflect estimated current value. His assets as hell be trading between well-informed market participants. Amer wrote. Trump's 2 children, Donald Jr., who work as corporate executives, and Eric Trump, are named as defendants in the case, along with other senior Trump Organization officials. Messages seeking comment were left to their lawyers. Trump's daughter, Ivanka Trump, was initially named as defendant, but removed her from case in June after state appeals court determined that allegations